You can add lights to our lantern boxes if you have the addition, the ones with the addition on the top of them without using adhesive to the back of the box. What you do is you just add the fairy lights into the box themselves, and then you would take the battery pack and insert it through the top of the box. And then you would, once you, attach the top of the box, then you could adhere the battery pack, which depending on whichever type of top you have, whether it's a lantern or an ornament style. This is an example of a lantern style where you would just adhere the battery pack to the actual top of the box, and then you could take the top, little mini box on and off. The actual ornament top, you would have to adhere it to the, the mini box on the top like other videos, and you would check out the other videos. I have one about adhering the lights with double-sided adhesive and adhering the lights with glue, videos for you to check out, but this is just an easier option should you want.